message concerns a blizzard warning for portions of Iceland. The Mushroom Weather Service at Princess Peach's Castle has issued a blizzard warning for Iceland until 2 a.m. Mushroom Standard Time Wednesday. The winter storm warning is no longer in effect. At 1:35 p.m. Mushroom Standard Time, forecasts indicated the storm producing 30 inches of snow and wind to 65 miles per hour. This storm will initiate tonight and continue throughout tomorrow, ending late tomorrow night. Locations impacted include but are not limited to the Iceland Castle and Ice Village. Stock up on food and supplies. Travel into and throughout Iceland is not recommended during this storm, as travel will be made dangerous by falling and blowing snow. A blizzard warning means that winds in excess of 35 mph and visibilities of 1/4 mile or less due to falling and or blowing snow are expected, imminent, or occurring.